YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Got another one for you guys. Yes, that's right. We got the Air Jordan 11 cap and gowns. We're about to get into a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet at the end of the video. Was lucky enough to hit these on Nike. For all you guys that don't know, Nike released them early. So we're going to get into this review right now. Let's open up this box, see what they're looking like. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 11 Retro. The colorway is black, black, black. And retail was $250 for these right here. There goes the receipt from Nike. Take a look right here. As you can see, you got your Roman numeral 11. And this is your pull-out plastic. You got your all black carbon fiber paper. Got some extra white paper. And take a look. We got the Air Jordan 11 cap and gowns. All blacked out. Got the black Jumpman. Black 23. These are nice. All black Jordan 11. It would have been way, way nicer if they would have made the bottom black, in my opinion. Start off with the front. You can see you got your nice shiny patent leather going up. You got your black rope laces. You over here in the third spacing, you do got your Jumpman Jordan. On the tongue, it is in all suede. Like, you got that nice suede material, nice and soft. It does come with some lace tips. You got some nice metal, shiny black lace tips. The midsole is in black. What is cool about the shoe, I guess it's got a nice suede on the upper. Over here where the eyelids are, also it is in that suede. Got the black Jumpman right there. That black Jumpman it's like metal. It's definitely metal. Let's take a look at the medial side. Same as the lateral, just all blacked out with your black suede on the upper. You got that 23 back there. It is stitched in. That's a nice touch so it does not go away. Inside the shoe, these do come with black shoe trees, black inner sole, sock liner in black, Jumpman in black, everything blacked out. Bottom of the shoe, got your hits of black right there with that all icy translucent, like smoked out bluish bottom. Got your Jumpman right there. And of course you got your carbon fiber plate right there. Dope shoe in my opinion. Definitely happy to add these to the collection. Quality of the shoe is okay. You know, I like the suede on the upper. But I'm not gonna lie though, this patent leather to me just seems kind of like, I don't know if I'm bugging, but it just seems kind of flimsy. Like, look when I push down, it's just real soft. And for some reason my 11s, these right here, these 11s, like the patent leather, look when I push down, it's just hard, you know what I'm saying? For some reason these, it's just like real soft, man. I don't know. They look like they're gonna crease really bad, but what are you gonna do? Gave you guys a detailed look at them. We're going to get into this on feet so you guys can see what they look like, if you like them or not. Official release date on these is May 26th. Retail is going to be $250. Supposedly they're going to be limited, but honestly I don't know, because I know a lot of people got them, man, when they released them early. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget, click that notification bell so whenever I post videos, you guys will get notified. And thank you all for your support. Appreciate all you guys out there. We're going to get into this on feet. Hope you guys enjoy. And also don't forget, follow me on Instagram. It's your boy D.S. Dan. And I'm gone.